Welcome back to eCreativeAid. We use many products in our everyday lives, but the most important thing is to make sure that the cancer-causing compounds are not allowed to enter our houses, or at least limit them. One of the most commonly used products are deodorants, and looking at statistics, younger people use deodorant more often than the older generations, with 90% of 18 to 29-year-olds using it every day, compared to 78% of those aged 60 and over. Around 6% of women aged 60 years and above said they never use deodorant. We've all heard of the baby powder scandal and the cancer-causing ingredients found in this powder. Almost every single woman has used this product on her babies. Since a lot of people use deodorant and cancers are widely spreading, I decided to make this video to educate everyone about this topic. So make sure to hit the like button and share it as much as possible. Talcum powder is made from talc, a mineral made up mainly of elements magnesium, silicon, and oxygen. As a powder, it absorbs moisture well and helps cut down on friction. It is widely used in cosmetic products such as baby powder and adult body and facial powders, as well as in a number of other consumer products. In its natural form, some talc contains asbestos, a substance known to cause cancers in and around the lungs when inhaled. And it is also known to cause ovarian cancer if it is used around the genital area. When talking about whether or not talcum powder is linked to cancer, it is important to distinguish between talc that contains asbestos and talc that is asbestos-free. Talc that has asbestos is generally accepted as being able to cause cancer if it is inhaled. The evidence about asbestos-free talc is less clear. Considering this information, we do not know whether the products we're using contain traces of asbestos or not. Therefore, it is important to stop using them while you're healthy. And here's a question for you guys. Do you use deodorants and how often? Also, I took the chance to give you a look at the ingredients of some of the deodorants available in the market. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.